Products will usually come with some sort of basic cover from the manufacturer, but Currys offer services to give you extra protection against things like accidental damage, electrical, mechanical breakdown, theft and loss, so you can enjoy your tech for longer. When you buy something new, it will usually come with a guarantee, which is a manufacturer's promise that the product will be defect-free for a period of time after purchase, and this is usually 6 to 12 months. Typically in this time, you'll be covered for repairs and replacements if the product is at fault itself, but that's usually as far as it goes. While they may fix the faults, there's no certainty when your product will be up and running again, so that's where our care services come in handy. We'll remedy immediately with instant replacement, in 7 days with care and repair, and next working day with tech insurance. Care and repair is an optional service that covers you against mechanical breakdowns on products in and out of warranty. When you purchase this for your tech, you get the full support of our tech experts and repairs and replacements depending on your chosen care service and prior claims. Plus, we're so confident that we'll be able to sort your repair quickly that you can request a free replacement if it takes longer than 7 days. Our tech insurance is another service that comes as 2 options. Insurance Light protects your device from accidents, so you're covered against accidental damage and out of warranty breakdown. You'll get expert support and we'll even replace your damaged tech the next working day. Insurance Complete has everything that Light has to offer, but you're also covered against loss and theft as well. If you're interested in protecting your tech with care and repair or our tech insurance, you can head to our website, you can pop to your local Currys store, or you can call our contact centre on 0800 049 0221.